All right, we got the Japanese vending machines over here. This one has all the snacks. I always recommend bourbon brands. You should get that. This one's the touchscreen, and this is the classic one. So Jin's gonna buy her first drink. We got the 500 yen. Mikhail's dropping it in.
Okay, press. Which one? Press like that.
If you see the blue light, that means it's good. If it's red, that's usually a hot drink.
This one then. Go. Press.
And there you go. We got Pocari Sweat. First vending machine back. Second vending machine here in Japan. They're getting the ice cream. 17 ice cream vending machine. Look at that. Ice cream vending machine right here. This one looks like Leche Flan. Leche Flan ice cream. Got a Calpis cooler right there. Good stuff. Yeah.
It's the strawberry one.
Strawberry 17 ice.
Yeah.
This is yours. Chocolate.
Yeah.
Chocolate.
Yeah.
17 ice.
What's the flavor? Oh, caramel.
Daddy, what is this?
Oreo cookies and cream.
When I search to YouTube how to open.
Yeah. Just open it. That's the 17 ice cream. Let's go. Mikhail. Ice cream. Careful. Slowly, slowly, baby. Eat it. Eat it. It's good. No, in the bottom.
After arriving in Narita, you're going to go down to the next level to get your Pasmo Welcome Pasmo card and also your Skyliner bullet train ticket or NEX tickets into Tokyo from this place here.
No, yes, please.
And 6 tickets.
Okay.
Nippon Station. Okay?
Thank you. Thank you very much.
316.
Card 8.
Yes, track number 5. Number 1.
Track number 1. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. It's a madhouse when you get down here. To get to Tokyo from Narita, you're gonna get the Skyliner ticket or NEX. It depends on you. It's your route. You get Google Map it. But we're also gonna line up for the Pasmo cards because they're a train card that helps us get into other train stations faster and better. But we got the train cards right here, and we're gonna show you how the Pasmo looks in a bit. So that's an available. We got this one, the Hello Kitty one, and of course there's a welcome Suica card. That's our total, because it's about 1,500. This is where you get your Pasmo cards, since the Suica and Pasmo are sold out at the moment. All right, so the Narita Express is closed today, but we did the Skyliner. We got the cool Pasmo cards, Hello Kitty Sanrio, and of course we got our bullet train cards. That's the time, there's the cart number, and that's our seat. Total of that bullet train card is 2570 yen. Yee-hee, let's do this. All right, so after you get your train ticket for Skyliner, and you're gonna head into Tokyo, you go down to the next floor down, and when you go down, you're gonna look at the train signs on top of the roof. It'll tell you which side you're going to, and also look for the area you're going to, what area. Mine says Napori, so on the sign here it says go to the right side. Okay, so after you get your Skyliner ticket and you go down and all that stuff, you're gonna look for whatever cart number you are on. So as you can see, it says car number 3, and this is my seat, okay? And then over here, it'll tell you also like which track. This is gonna be track 2. There's also some indicators on side of the door. There's even written, it's even not written, but it's even punched in as Braille. I'll show you how that looks. This is how it looks. So there's that Braille, and it's also right here. It'll tell you the first door, car number 3, 8-car ordinary train. First door, car number 1, 6-car ordinary train. So it's kind of like the same deal. It'll tell you where you're going, and this is what time you will leave, and this is what time you will arrive. So we're taking it all the way to Napori Station. So right here, Narita Airport Terminal 2 to Napori Station. Okay. So when you do come down, you'll see the sign over there telling you which area to go. There's also people here that can help you, but you can also look for these signs like I said. It'll tell you what cart number, Skyliner 3, your car number as well, shows you some little points and tips. And right there. So you're just gonna wait here on this side. And it also shows on the sign where it's heading. Yeah, just remember, you can ask around. There's a lot of train staff that will help you. But as you can see, as you go down, you see these train signs right there. This one's heading into Narita Airport Terminal 1. And on the right side, they tell you where the Skyliner is heading. So, Nippori. And Mount is also heading to Nippori. Also, there's signs on the wall that you can read where it tells you which way to go. And there's also staffs here that will tell you and help you out where and when to stay at and what platform. So again, Mount's station 3, and that's car 3. And you can see it there on the sign as well. Everyone's heading that way.
This is a bullet train into Tokyo. Be sure to Google map where your hotel is or where you're gonna stay at, so you know which route to take, as well as which train you're also gonna add on after this when you're into Tokyo. Just be sure to Google map your route and remember your routes.
Alright guys, so when you get into Skyliner, be sure to check your time. A lot of people do jump their time and make mistakes, just like me. So yeah, let me show you how Skyliner looks like. This is a bullet train. We're in cart 1 right now because our original cart was actually cart 3, but we jumped the time 30 minutes early. So of course now there is people in our seats. So the nice train people hooked us up and they brought us into this vacant seat here at Skyliner. But this is how Skyliner looks like, the bullet train. Over here, you can come in and put your luggages. It's usually full. There's also overhead stuff where you can put the luggages as well. And then when you sit down, you could also move the chairs around. There's also these cool plugs where you can plug and charge your stuff, and it's just like an airplane. There's enough space to put a stroller in here as well. Just like an airplane, you got this cool tray. Can hold your bag as well, I know, somewhere around here. And maybe that's NEX, but yeah. And you could like put a drink and it won't topple over. Look at how this fast we're going, man. Also, if you see it, there's the map. There's a restroom here, so this is where we're at right now. You just gotta go 3 carts down, and on the 5th cart there's a toilet as well as, like, you know, more luggages and, you know, washing room and, you know, a restroom for the men's. Also, like you do see, you can see the beautiful view. There's also these cool standing chairs that you can take here at Narita Skyliner. So if the sun is in your eyes, you do have these blinds that you could pull down, just a little, you know, if you don't want to see the view, and it locks. Yeah, and then to put it up, you just push it down and it'll just pull up by itself. Skyliner. This is the bullet train that's going into Nippori.
Yeah, there's a cool restroom here for men as well. There's even a toilet in case you need to do number 2 right over here in the Skyliner. Also, there is chargers under your chair, and also these little hooks that you can hang your bags on if you need to hang your bags on. It's a very safe train ride. There is also a train conductor who does security checks on the train, and also conductors to see if you're in the right seat for this train ride.
We're going pretty fast. Enjoy some cool views of Japan while I wait. Not sure if it's good, but
sheet casing line and the Delta line.
Also, if you want to lay down a little bit, you could push this button and your seat reclines, and you could kind of have a nice nap while you ride the bullet train. There is also a monitor and announcement that speaks in English that will tell you where you're at, what station you're on, and also if this is your stop. So be sure to keep an eye on that. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you need any help, just comment down below. I respond to everything, even if this video is old. My name is Mark. Thanks for watching. I'm out. Bye.